In this video, I am going to test GPT 5.2 for building a website for YouTube clone or Netflix clone. How it is performing, I am going to test the GPT 5.2 model. To, to enable the model, click on settings in the right side top, and after that click on models, and after click on models you can view all models. Click on view all models and you can select here which model you want to use. So I am now using 5.2 model. I am on a GPT 5.2 fast and I extra fast. Okay, so if you don't see this model in your cursor agent, you can add custom models. Click on this custom model and enter the model name and click on add. It automatically add the model in this models area. Okay, after that go back to prompt box mode. So I am canceling cursor settings and clicking. So now I am building YouTube clone. So I'm asking GPT-5 to build a clone of YouTube. So build a clone of YouTube, YouTube, and here is the reference image. I'm sharing reference image also. So let's see how it is built. Click on enter. So the model start building the YouTube clone website. After few minutes of waiting, the final result is here. It with one single line of prompt and one reference image, GPT 5.2 build this amazing YouTube clone website. You can build a beautiful design website by using GPT 5.2 and GPT new models. This is so good. I think you can build amazing. Now I am switching to GPT 5.2 high and asking it to improve the design style match with YouTube. After asking improve the design style match with the YouTube, so the GPT 5.2 high improve the design. It added new font styles and added the subscriptions and showing the video duration also. So you can build those amazing websites by using GPT 5.2, 5 and these models, new models. So it improves a lot of. So if you like this video, make sure subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.